Perfumia.
Be Delicious Fresh Blossom was created by DKNY in 2009. Perfumia is happy to offer this fragrance for women at the best price. Be Delicious Fresh Blossom is a radiant scent that marries vibrancy and femininity. An intoxicating blend of sparkling grapefruit, cassis, and lush apricot meets a lush floral heart of sheer muguet and rose wrapped in jasmine petals. A base of juicy apple, blonde woods, and smooth skin accord completes this irresistible combination. As fresh and airy as the first day of spring, this joyous eau de parfum is ideal for daytime wear. A flirty, floral scent, Be Delicious Fresh Blossom is a versatile scent that you can wear confidently at any occasion. Perfumia offers this modern scent at the highest quality. This delightful fragrance is also available through Perfumia Wholesale. Fresh, girly, and pretty. Be Delicious Fresh Blossom is a bubbly fragrance that will undoubtedly bring sunshine to your life.
Perfumia, where you find the largest selection of men's cologne, women's perfume, and kids' fragrances. Perfumia is a retail and wholesale perfume distributor. Visit us at www.perfumia.com. Our customer service team is waiting to help you. We will not be beaten on price.